Hi, it's Dr. Parvez again. I'm demonstrating our salt tent. It's called Halotherapy. And halos is an old word for salt. This machine is very powerful, and we put pharmaceutical grade pure sodium chloride in it, not Himalayan pink salt or other things that have other impurities. Right now, we put the sodium chloride in it. It's very powerful. It grinds it very fine, almost like a nebulizer, and it comes through here. So you can just sit, breathe it, or just the tent will kind of contain the salt, and which is why we recommend no electronics to be on you while you're in here. And this salt is extremely good. Usually a 10 or 20 minute session is good. It has a benefit of negative ions, which are very good for the body. It has, like, again, imagine the seashore, the salt in the air when you go to the beach. There's that relaxing effect and that overall energizing effect to your body. But salt by itself is anti-inflammatory. It is antiviral, antimicrobial. So we know, like, things used to be preserved in salt, right? Used to preserve meats and stuff by putting so much salt on them because bacteria can't grow. So it also helps with allergies because of its kind of anti-inflammatory effects. It also does help when you have allergies. A lot of people use this tent during the winter time for their allergies. We have little kids even can use it for ear infections, anybody with bronchitis, cough, asthma, COPD, any of those things. It does help you breathe, expand and breathe better. And even just for a general improvement or endurance, improving your lung capacity, you can use the salt. This also being in the tent, if you have more of your skin exposed, it's also very good for rashes, eczema, and calming down inflammation from rashes and psoriasis and things like that. So I hope you give it a try. Thank you. This is actually our Halotherapy, our portable Halotherapy. Some of you might be familiar with our big salt tent that has the halo. This is very similar. It's just in a much smaller form, and actually it takes only about 2 to 3 minutes to get almost the equivalent amount of salt that you could get from sitting in the tent for about 20 minutes. So again, this has a very powerful motor that grinds the salt very finely, and you just kind of have to push the button and inhale. And this, again, you breathe in the salt through your nose and your mouth, and it stops after 5 seconds, and you do it again. Just like a few minutes, like about 10 to 15, rounds like that, is a really good treatment. Usually within, like I said, 2 to maximum of 5 minutes. And this is a great add-on. Again, if you have a cold, many of our patients have come in with a cough and cold, and after the, after treatment of this, they actually stop coughing. I get cough, cold, ear infections, congestion, allergies. It's great for all that. And it's a great add-on. You can just add it on to an IV treatment, a sauna treatment, or any other treatments.